Here are quick steps to create your Parallex Bank account. Download the Parallex app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Launch the app and click on the Sign Up button. Indicate that you do not have an account with us. Enter your BVN. Input your email address and phone number. An OTP will be sent to the phone number and email address registered on the BVN provided. Enter the OTP. Select your account type, savings or current. Input your full residential address, including your LGA and state. Create your preferred account number by inputting the 7 middle numbers. Select your areas of interest. Submit and your account is opened successfully. Download the Parallex app now. Parallex Bank.
Be limitless.